Hi, everybody. We're getting ready to start Unit 1, Week 3. We're going to shift gears a little bit this week. This week, you are going to start looking at graphs and graphing. And there's some important parts to this, and no matter really what your future courses look like, there will always be some level of graphing, whether you're taking pre-calculus or if you're planning on moving on to statistics. The ideas of slope and graphing and how to graph are all really important. So in this next 2 weeks, we're going to spend a lot of time talking about slope and looking at graphs of linear equations. There's a couple things I want to draw your attention to. First, on this reading graphs and plotting points page, there's a good video by the Mythbusters in here. There is a lot of explanation on what good graphs look like and why we do the things that we do. So take the time to watch that and see what is being said. And again, that's in the reading graphs and plotting points page. As with every week in this course, the group assignment is due on Thursday night. And so you need to give yourself time to make sure that you are communicating with your group. There have been a couple of groups that haven't been communicating until the last possible minute. Those papers are not writable PDFs, so print it out and then fill it out, scan it, and upload it. Or if you want, you are welcome to do your work on another sheet of paper and then scan that and upload it. Either one works for me. This week, we will be looking at our unit face-to-face meetings. And so go ahead and click on the next video, and I will show you exactly how to sign up for those meetings.